Hello. This week we worked on creating the animation for the second responder with Llama, and we want to demonstrate you how it actually works and to make sure that it has a good high quality. So I first click on timeline and I open the timeline down so we can see it better.
Yeah. Again, slow.
Yes, it takes a little bit of time. So we are here. I will just skip the first scenes.
You can skip to the phone, I think.